In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who liked you without the gold on Tinder. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Tinder application. If you don't have it on your phone, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open your Tinder application. So after opening actually your Tinder application, if you go here to the matches, or if you go here to the explore, of course you can here find whatever. Maybe it's like kind of become like maybe TikTok, Instagram, like here the search option, and you can find maybe something's interesting. But if you go here to the matches, of course, first of all, you would like to maybe keep rejecting, matching, do whatever you want here. And first of all, of course, you would like to complete all of this to 100%. You can just go here to edit your profile and add as many pictures as they want. So as you can see here, you will get 4% per every picture you add. Of course, you would like to complete anything has some percents here, so like this one, like this one, this, and this as well. So that actually will let you reach the 100%. And as you can see here, so let me just scroll. As you can see here, if I click at get Tinder gold, so here you will know or see who likes you, so you can match with them instantly. But if we go back, and let's just go back one another, if we go here, and as you can see here, we have 0 likes, but if someone likes us, we will not be able to see it. But I have actually a trick for you. You would like to log in into your Tinder account on the desktop desktop, I mean from the PC, via your browser. So for this example, you should maybe use Google Chrome, and by heading over to tinder.com, after signing in, you will see your matches list in the sidebar of the left, or on the left. So there you can be actually, or you can actually see who likes you. You will not actually see them clearly, but you will know who actually likes you on Tinder by just navigating to your Tinder through your desktop or the PC. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.